that AI can at best reinforce your own domain ability. It can add to it, but you are the final judge, and your judgment has to first be honed and perfected
Yeah, outside of the world of AI.
outside
Uh,
of the world of
yeah.
AI. So I think it's important that students not outsource their thinking. I mean, their learning and thinking for sure. Are there other use cases you would recommend take to even right now?
I think if done carefully, you can use like I, for instance, when I'm writing about math, I do use it to learn math, right? I could potentially also try and read textbooks or listen to videos of lectures by professors or something, which I would also do. But as long as I am careful about knowing that I have enough knowledge about something in order to be able to tell when the LLM is producing something suspiciously incorrect, and I have enough sort of base knowledge to be able to judge that, and every so often stop doing that and go back to textbooks and maintain a diversity of sort of sources from which I am gaining my knowledge. I think you can use LLMs intelligently because they are an extraordinary resource. Like if you understand your domain well enough that you probe these models in ways that are very specific, it's amazing the depth to which you can understand something, right? Which would be very hard if you had to find 10 textbooks and try and figure out what that. So they're very good at synthesizing things for you if you are also good at figuring out what is it that you want from them, right? So there has to be some sort of you can't be passive about this, and so the onus is on you to be that just that little bit better every time you're interacting with.
You have to first learn to be a good student
Yes,
to be a good user of AI.
I think so. Yes, that's a good way of putting it. Yeah, and a good student means just being willing, open to learn, but also being skeptical about what is being told, whether it's from a teacher or from an LLM, and having the wherewithal to go to other sources to cross check to learn. I mean, it's a lot of work, but that's what learning is.
Sure, of course, yeah.
Yeah,
Because that body of knowledge then will continue to reside in you, not the LLM after you've learned it.
exactly. And that is the key thing, right? You're not only are you sort of embodying the knowledge, you're embodying the process of acquiring the knowledge. And both of those will stand you in good stead.